Why you should choose Aerixtron 3D Air Mesh Projector Screen. Because it has the following features. 3D Air Mesh Technology. Aerixtron projector screens adopt 3.54 mm 3-layer thickened fabric. The high-density surface accurately restores vivid colors and clear details. X-shaped three-dimensional structure effectively locks light, bringing an immersive projection experience far superior to traditional screens. Theater-grade visual enjoyment. The projector screen features 16.4 feet extra-large size, 16 by 9 golden ratio with 160 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle, 157.5 inches x 118 inches large viewing area. You can have a private theater at home, making movie watching and drama chasing more shocking. Multifunctional 2-in-1 projector screen. It is not only a high-definition projector screen but also a professional golf impact screen. It can withstand high-speed ball impact of 200 mph, and withstand 100,000 impacts, suitable for golf, tennis, and other sports enthusiasts for daily practice. Easy to install. Equipped with 304 stainless steel grommets, supporting included bungee cords, compatible with various installation methods such as attached elastic bands, ropes, safety buckles, S-hooks and more, allowing easy installation. Adjustable eyelet design ensures the screen is flat, and reinforced edges effectively prevent sliding. Widely applicable to all scenarios. Excellent image quality fits indoor use such as home theaters, education, office lectures, game entertainment, and also for outdoor use. Meanwhile, it is an excellent holiday gift on Thanksgiving and Christmas to share the movie watching time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.